In this video, we're going to have a look at Redis hashes. Now, Redis hashes look pretty much like any other hash and what you'd expect. They have a key, name of the hash, and then they have field and value pairs, both of which are strings. Let's go ahead and create our first hash. We're using the hset command. We then pass in the key of the hash we want. Let's go for user this time. And let's go ahead and pass in our first field value. So name and then Tim. And we'll see we get back the integer of 1, which means that's been successful. To get back the value of our name, we can do hget, the key of our hash, and then the field that we want to receive the value of, in this case name, and we'll get back Tim. You can set multiple field values in your hash using the hmset command for set multiple. Pass in the key of our hash and then the field value pairs. So let's do age 31, profession, software engineer, and we've got OK, which means that's been successful. If we go ahead and get the profession, so hget user profession, we'll see we get back software engineer. You can get back multiple values at the same time using the hmget command, again passing in the key of your hash and then the fields that you want to get back. So let's do name and age, and you'll see we get back Tim and 31. If you want to get everything that exists within your hash, so the fields and their values, you can do that using the hgetAll command. You just pass in the key of your hash and you'll see we get back all the field and values. So we've got name, Tim, age 31, and profession, software engineer. If you want to get all the keys of your hash, you can do so using the hkeys command, and then again passing in the name of your hash. So hkeys user, and you'll see all the keys that exist within our hash. You can also get the length of all the keys within your hash using the hleng command, and you'll see we get back 3 as we have name, age, and profession within our hash. Using the hvals command and then the name of your hash, you can get back all the values as well. If you want to set a value only if that value doesn't exist, you can do so using the hsetnx for not exist, the name of your hash, the field, and then the value. So if we use age and then 99 here, we'll see we get back integer of 0, which means that nothing has happened. And if we have a look at our values, we'll see that 31 is still my age. If we go ahead and change this to be age with 2 E's, we'll see it succeeds. And then if we have a look at the values, we'll see that 99 is now there. We now have age with 2 E's at 99 within our hash, which isn't quite correct. So let's go ahead and work out how we delete that. Again, quite straightforward with the hdel command, pass in the key of your hash and then the field you want to delete, in our case age with 2 E's, and that will go ahead and delete that. If we then have a look at all the keys and the values within our hash, we will see that the age with 2 E's is no longer there. If you want to check for the existence of any field within your hash, you can do so with the hexists command, again passing the name of your hash, the key, in this case user, and then the field you want to check. So if we want to check if I'm a verified user, we can do that and we'll find out that verified doesn't exist. We get back the integer 0. If we then want to check if my name exists, we can do that and we'll find we get back the integer of 1, which means it does exist. If we have a look at my age, we will see that it's 31. If we want to increment this age, we can do that using the increment by command, passing in the key of your hash, the field, and then the value we want to increment by. So age, and we'll increment by 1. We see we get back 32 there. I can have 10 years and I'll come back as 42. And then if we have a look at my age, it's now 42. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.